The workshop model, reflection session. When you're reflecting, you look within, you think deeply. Reflection time. When sharing and teaching. You would like to designate a time each day for readers to share. The purpose is for sharing sessions to include the forms of sharing. There is share square. A share square is when everyone comes together within the class. A pair share, or knee-to-knee, is when two. A small group share is when a small group of students. Let's take a look at how this teacher provides a share square for her learners.
We like to read and we like to share. Let's meet at the rocking chair. Okay, readers, remember your first job is to share with a friend your schema on whales. Are you ready to share? I'll know you're finished sharing when your notebook is closed. David, did you have a moment to share? David, did you share your schema? I can tell Justin and Gabe are ready. I can tell Josh, did you get to share? I can tell Josh is ready. Ooh, I can tell these ladies are ready. One, two, three, all eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, all eyes on you. Wow, nice job following that clue. Please close your notebook. And face a lucky day, friends. Remember, when you're an audience member, you think about what the author has to say, what the reader has to say. You look and you listen. Hadley, I'm waiting. Go. Nicholas, tell us about your schema for whales.
Whales are big. Some whales have babies. They live in water.
Very good.
They have fur.
Thank you, Nicholas. You had quite a bit of schema there. Hannah, how about you? Is your schema the same or different as Nicholas's? Kind of different?
Whales have babies. Whales are not the same size. Whales grow. I know about whales. Whales in the ocean.
Ooh, I heard a thinking stem in there. I know about whales. Thank you for sharing, Hannah. Jack, how about you? Did you have anything different?
Yes. My schema, they drink milk from their mothers and they live in the ocean. Whales are fish. They don't have scales like fish do.
What? Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Like fish do. They are different. They're not the same size. They're not dangerous to humans, and whales are big.
Wow, Jack, that's quite a lot of schema there. Where did you say you got all that schema? You told me at your table.
TV.
No. From a show? Wow. Really interesting. You may close your notebook. Okay, now let's dig deep. Let's get to the real important part of this lesson. Close those notebooks. Make sure your hands aren't on them. It will be very disruptive if they are. What takeaways did you have? What is something that worked so well you want to try it again and again and again as you're reading? What's something you learned about schema? David, what's something that you're going to take away from this lesson?
If you read more books and about whales, your schema will grow and bigger and bigger, and then more about whales. You can learn more about whales on TV, reading, or anything
Wow.
that your schema sticks with that you probably know.
Absolutely. Reading more books can build your schema. Reading more books. And make your files thicker, right?
That's a great lesson.
Reading more books can build your schema. Any other takeaways today? Austin, what are you taking away from this lesson?
Well, maybe that you could use your mind and look at the words like the authors do.
Tell me more.
Well, normally that you could use your mind or you could use reading strategies.
You can. I'm going to let you keep thinking on that one. Let's revisit that tomorrow. I want you to maybe think a little bit more so you can explain it a little more for me. Sarah, what's your takeaway today?
When you read more books, you get more schema.
Absolutely, you do. The more you read, the more schema you have. So I'm going to add your name to this one because I think you and David maybe have the same takeaway today. Boys and girls, remember when the speaker is speaking, we look at them and we think about what they have to say. Hadley, did you have any takeaways today?
Yes. Whales, when they're first born, they stay close to their mothers. And, well, if a baby whale's mother dies, well, if they're usually not close to the herd when the mother dies. If a whale dies, the baby's usually close to it, but the herd's usually far away.
Okay, you know what I think you're doing right now? I think you're sharing your schema. And we've moved on to what are you taking away from this reading lesson? What are you taking away from this lesson on schema? So let's try to get focused. Sarah, what are you taking away?
So when you watch movies, about whales, you also get schema.
Oh, so you don't just get schema from books. Where else can you get your schema?
TV.
From movies. Sometimes movies will give you schema.
Or TVs.
Movies or TV shows can also give you schema.
In books. In books. I got to
Boys and girls, how about you turn to a friend and share what you're taking away from this lesson, then you can put your notebook away.